What's up, YouTube? There's another thing that you'd want to do, and that is let's say let me just remove the wood effect. You just click, then you go to clear, and it's off now, right? So I'm just going this whole thing you're looking at is a project I'm about to work on. I'm about to build this from scratch, the whole building type of thing. Yes, so you guys should anticipate. And also there's another video in a link in the description that is showing how I did all these from scratch. So yeah, check it out and let me know your feedback. Okay guys, that will be it for the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.